What if a treasure was so valuable that everyone who found it suffered a terrible fate? Across history, stories have spread about treasures surrounded by mysterious curses. But are these stories true, or simply legends? Today, we explore one of history's greatest mysteries. Hidden beneath ancient ruins, explorers uncovered an extraordinary collection of gold, jewels, and priceless artifacts. It was one of the greatest discoveries of its time. But soon, strange stories began to spread. Some believed the treasure was protected by an ancient curse. According to legend, anyone who disturbed it would suffer terrible misfortune. The story quickly captured the world's imagination. Newspapers reported mysterious illnesses, unexpected deaths, and strange coincidences involving people connected to the treasure. Many called it proof of the curse. Others believed it was simply coincidence. Modern researchers offer a different explanation. Ancient tombs can contain dangerous bacteria, toxic mold, or harmful environmental conditions. These natural hazards may explain many of the mysterious events once blamed on curses. Throughout history, many famous treasures have earned terrifying reputations. From legendary diamonds to ancient royal tombs, stories of curses continue to fascinate people around the world. Why do these stories survive for centuries? Perhaps because mysterious coincidences, combined with powerful legends, create unforgettable stories that people continue sharing generation after generation. Whether the curse was real or simply a fascinating legend, one thing is certain. These mysterious treasures continue to inspire explorers, historians, and dreamers around the world. If you discovered this treasure, would you open it? Or would you leave it untouched forever? Some treasures are worth more than gold. They preserve history, mystery, and legends that never truly disappear. What do you think? Are cursed treasures real or just stories? Tell us your opinion in the comments. Subscribe to HiddenNex for more mysteries, dark history, and unbelievable discoveries. Until next time, stay curious.